CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 31st of May 2025, another sad incident in Nigeria. Moses Salmon said that his church member Abu Silvanus was kidnapped by the Muslim group Zabamawa. They were attacking the Christian preaching. Now the church is praying that God will release Silvanus, but most people are killed. The Child Marriage Restraint Bill 2025 was passed by the National Assembly and Senate in Pakistan, and became part of the law after the confirmation of the President of Pakistan Asif Ali Zardari. The Islamic Ideology Council opposed the law, but still it got approval. Greg Kelly says that Christians in Afghanistan have no home, no work, they are not preaching their faith. The Christians who have returned to Afghanistan after the closure of the sanctuary in Pakistan and Iran are under the close watch of the Taliban. They are very afraid. In Iran, Maryam is worried about her situation, saying that women have half the place in society, and Christian women have no identity, but she reads the Word of God and encourages other Christian women. Joe Hundley, who is from Cambodia but works in a hotel in Indonesia, was pressured to convert to Islam but then had to leave her job there. This situation was very disturbing for her. In Egypt, the St. Catherine's Monastery on Mount Sinai was closed. The Egyptian government says that there is a risk of attack on the area, and that when an ancient religious site is destroyed, it will cause great damage. The administration running the monastery is very worried. Mozambique is becoming the most dangerous country for Christians, says Pastor Francisco. In the past week, people have been beaten in many incidents. Children are kidnapped and then sold as slaves. A Christian named Shorat was tortured in Turkmenistan when he was found with documents referring to the propagation of Christianity. He was arrested and sent to prison. And now that he has been released, he is being closely monitored. Janet, a Christian woman from Kyrgyzstan, said that she was forced to cover her head during work. Then when her Christian faith was revealed, everyone started hating her and she was rejected. Adding news from Burkina Faso. Bishop Pierre Cleaver Galgo said that Islamic extremists attack and damage property, kill and destroy, and spread hatred, but the authorities never take action against them. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.